1. Which planet is the hottest in the solar system? A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Mars. D. Jupiter. Answer: B. Venus. 2. Which is the largest desert in the world? A. Sahara Desert. B. Gobi Desert. C. Antarctic Desert. D. Kalahari Desert. Answer: C. Antarctic Desert. 3. Which is the largest gland in the human body? A. Pancreas. B. Thyroid. C. Liver. D. Adrenal. Answer: C. Liver. 4. Which is the largest plateau in the world? A. Deccan Plateau. B. Tibetan Plateau. C. Colorado Plateau. D. Siberian Plateau. Answer: B. Tibetan Plateau. 5. Which vitamin is produced in the human body when exposed to sunlight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer: D. Vitamin D. 6. What is the name of the first computer? A. ENIAC. B. UNIVAC. C. EDVAC. D. IBM 360. Answer: A. ENIAC. 7. What is the process by which plants make their own food? A. Digestion. B. Respiration. C. Photosynthesis. D. Transpiration. Answer: C. Photosynthesis. 8. Which country is the largest producer of wheat in the world? A. India. B. USA. C. China. D. Russia. Answer: C. China. 9. What is the unit of electrical resistance? A. Ampere. B. Volt. C. Ohm. D. Watt. Answer: C. Ohm. 10. Which organ in the human body is affected by hepatitis? A. Heart. B. Lungs. C. Liver. D. Kidneys. Answer: C. Liver. 11. Which is the longest highway in India? A. NH44. B. NH48. C. NH16. D. NH27. Answer: A. NH44. 12. Which is the largest bird in the world? A. Eagle. B. Ostrich. C. Peacock. D. Albatross. Answer: B. Ostrich. 13. What is the atomic number of oxygen? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. Answer: C. 8. 14. What is the national game of Japan? A. Cricket. B. Sumo wrestling. C. Football. D. Baseball. Answer: B. Sumo wrestling. 15. What is the study of weather called? A. Geology. B. Meteorology. C. Climatology. D. Hydrology. Answer: B. Meteorology. 16. Which Indian leader is known as the Grand Old Man of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Dadabhai Nauroji. C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Answer: B. Dadabhai Nauroji. 17. What is the term for animals that eat only plants? A. Carnivores. B. Herbivores. C. Omnivores. D. Scavengers. Answer: B. Herbivores. 18. Which is the only bird that can fly backward? A. Sparrow. B. Peacock. C. Hummingbird. D. Parrot. Answer: C. Hummingbird. 19. Which is the heaviest metal among the following? A. Iron. B. Mercury. C. Platinum. D. Gold. Answer: C. Platinum. 20. Which country is known as the Land of Thousand Lakes? A. Finland. B. Norway. C. Sweden. D. Denmark. Answer: A. Finland. 21. Which is the first country to print paper money? A. USA. B. India. C. China. D. Japan. Answer. C. China. 22. Which element has the highest melting point? A. Iron. B. Tungsten. C. Gold. D. Platinum. Answer. B. Tungsten. 23. Which is the highest civilian award in the world? A. Bharat Ratna. B. Nobel Prize. C. Presidential Medal of Freedom. D. Order of the Garter. Answer. B. Nobel Prize. 24. What is the largest land animal? A. Giraffe. B. African elephant. C. Rhinoceros. D. Hippopotamus. Answer. B. African elephant. 25. Who wrote the book Panchatantra? A. Kalidasa. B. Chanakya. C. Vishnu Sharma. D. Tulsidas. Answer. C. Vishnu Sharma.